Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is how to show your customer what a plaque's going to look like that is round. And I don't care if it's round, rectangle, square, triangular, to use the real wood that the wood is. So I'm going to have to do 60 of these, but I wanted to show the customer what it's going to look like round. I even flattened off the base to show her what it's going to look like. This is going to be alder. This is going to be the metal stand. I even showed them a top view with measurements. This is what her wood's going to look like, the thickness versus what it's going to look like from the top. But all cameras, and my camera takes really large files. I mean, this file is, the picture is 72 by 48. It's huge. But I need to get it inside that 5-inch circle. So the way to do that is to take your crop tool, and before you crop tool, use it, select your item. If you don't select it, all this other stuff is going to go away. Then go to your crop tool and crop out everything you don't need in this picture. And then you can move your handles and get it just about as close as you can get it. That's good enough for the video. I would tweak it a little bit more. And then just double click and you've got a crop. Now we can take that picture and make it 5 by 5. 5 inches by 5 inches. Now, to make it even better, I'm going to make the picture actually 5.25 by 5.25. Just make it a little bit bigger so when we power clip it, it will fit in there 100% correct. So get your picture, click on it, go up to Object, Power Clip, place inside frame. How neat is that? Now you have and left click and take away the outside circle. You have a piece of wood that is 5 inches around, and if that's what your plaque is, and I don't care if it's round, square, rectangular, or rectangular, then you can do what I did and show measurements. This is going to be metal, so it's, I can show what it's going to look like. It's 5.5 by 1.5 inches thick, and then when you put your engraving on there, and it actually helps you kind of mentally see what it's going to look like. I mean, this is the actual piece of wood. Now, there's many ways you could make it look like wood, but this is the real piece of wood. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.